When we tell our Nigerian brothers and sisters to hustle the right way, they no one listen. Now see how Shatta Wale is gradually expanding his businesses slowly and steady. Guess what, guys? Now they are claiming Shatta Wale is a Nigerian, an Igbo man for that matter, guys.
Shatta Wale na Igbo Ghana. Nobody will fit tell me say Shatta Wale not be Igbo, because na only Igbo sabi business like this. How Shatta Wale come take understand this kind of business if not be Igbo?
Chai, Nigerians too like better thing, no? Well, guys, let's take a look at the main reason why they are claiming Shatta Wale to be an Igbo man from Nigeria. Let's watch.
I swear to God, Shatta Wale na from Igbo. Shatta Wale na Igbo Ghana, because na only Igbo sabi business like this. How Shatta Wale come take understand this kind of business if not be Igbo? Nobody will fit tell me say Shatta Wale not be Igbo. If na wan prove me wrong, make una go do DNA test. Who is a Nigeria, who is Ghana? Then we go know where Shatta Wale for come. Na SM first do chassis. He sit down, he said, no, I need to give my people transport company. Now he open chassis. Chassis is working. He sit down again, he said, no, wait, I want bring come out again. Now he go bring this one come out. And then make una watch am.
Yo, Ghana, what's up? I have been in this market for a very, very long time, and I understand your day-to-day activities. So you know what? I introduced my new smartphone devices into the market, which is the Hotwave Cyber 16 Pro SM series. As you can see, it's fresh, buster, it's shiny. That's Hotwave. I come show you how the phone look like. And I tell you, this will be just any phone. You understand me? It come with a travel adapter. This be the manual. This be the pin way. You know, you could take open way or SIM card. And it gets in USB too. So it come with two cores. You understand me? And you know, they're almighty. This is what I'm talking about. You love it. It's beautiful. And this be one of the phones where I tell people, when you fall, your screen will crack. And this one you go keep for water inside for 3 days. If you doubt me, come. That's my new brand, you know, my new device. And I want you guys to just know that as I understand you and you understand me, I know how you will love this phone and support. That's my beautiful baby. Hotwave Cyber 16 Pro SM series. I know you guys are gonna love it. Anyway, I go use my one, I go find SIM card. Thank you. Love you.
He said, my beautiful baby. That's all king. That's all king in Ghana. Shatta Wale. He say him name dey that phone. Him name must dey, because na that one you want to know say yes, na him be the founder. Na him bring this phone come out. Na him brand be this according to wetin he talk. And if you check am well, you see say Shatta Wale produce this phone as an African for Africa use, because he carry two cord. He know say yes, our phone our cord dey quick dey spoil for Africa. And is he give a double protector, because you know say yes, it must fall for your hand. It must fall for your hand, and he give a double protector so that when you fall down, it no go scatter. What do you dey wait for? You know go get your own. You know go get your own. The way they see this phone, SM, I beg one for reach my hand, because this phone camera go clear well. The way they say it go clear well. You no get what anybody want tell me. And not be like this kind of phone where we go use, they do 1 or 2 videos, you go dey hot like send the set fire put for Inyach. I beg, we need to use better phone. One for reach my hand. I take God beg you. One for reach my hand. And if you never get your own, find them, locate them, anywhere that they sell them, get them, and you will testify of the goodness of SM. Now he bring them. He say make we dey use better phone. Not be the one where they go bring for chon. Not everything not be China. At least make we use our own. Africa, you know say Ghana na very strong country for Africa, and as they produce that phone, make you no surprise say they carry gold for Ghana here. They producer. Big up SM for life.
Okay, now it's well understandable the reason why they are claiming Shatta Wale to be an Igbo man. You know, Igbos are known to, like with business, when you're talking about people who are involved in business, like most of them don't even want to go to school. Yeah, they prefer to do business than to go to school. That's an Igbo man for you. So that's what they are known for in Nigeria. Like, yeah, there are so many people doing business in Nigeria, but when it comes to Igbo man doing business, they put their mind, everything so in it, you know, even if they the business crash, they will pick it up from the scratch and build it back again. And they're the kind of people that put their energy, they put everything. They can even go far by, doing illegal things just for them to come up with money and put in their business. Yeah, for their business to boom, So now I see the reason why they are saying Shatta Wale is an Igbo man because of his business sense. Guys, let's take a look at people's reaction about the latest phone in town, Hotwave A17 Pro Max. I don't know if Shatta Wale owns it or maybe he's marketing it for a company. Guys, if you have any answer for my question, let me know in the comment section, guys. Thanks in advance. Let's dive into it.
Hello, Mama. Me why sound so where me say Shatta Wale the phone number Hotwave SM series. And so ko duma see aye flower ye nya o se network bi ho. Sa phone no baby a wo bi e che network. E na fe an se wona fofo na omo kwafuo mu ni nyina ni duma se fo omo e kwafuo mu ni nyina frefro omo. Friday so obekọ odan. Ukọ odan akoya announcement ba me. Ka kire am se Shatta Wale the phone number Hotwave SM series. E hwe a unhu 40 bia wo. E to nsuo mo se nsuo toto na omo kwafo ma na nsuo aboa mo na omo fun asai fun we nsuo hwe sesen enye hwe Hotwave SM series Shatta Wale na dia ba ono de so nim so ade bone de on fa magana for ai enti your promotion mama me flow why
no you have to get two of them.
Oh no way.
Yeah, you know your mom was my ex-girl in school. Mommy, I'm sorry, please, but she knows she loves me. Mommy, I love you. You know we are serious into it. Like if it wasn't something like I'm her stepdad, but from your stepdad.
Now you're my stepdad.
Baby, sometimes I love you hard and I get confused. I don't know who you are. Yes. So Queen, I'm presenting to you my new product. This is something that was on my mind for 2-3 years ago, and I met my partners, and we decided to come up with something good for the people, and we came up with Cyber 16 Pro SM series. This is also a special edition for people like you. That's why I tweeted and I said you should come for yours. And so you can even keep this one as in your hall as maybe one of your awards. And I will come and add another one to this.
Are you kidding me?
Yes, at least. So, keep it as a gift from me. So
I'm getting 2 of these.
Yes, from the Hotwave, team, for my team members, from, Taha to Saeed to Nana, and to my team, yes, I'm a flex Roland. We say we want to present this to you and let you know this is the next thing in Ghana. This one when it falls down doesn't crack.
No, I mean, wow.
Yes.
Whatever touches the Queen's hand.
Yeah. Thanks
always
to God.
blossoms.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
So me holding this is going to be number 1.
Thank
you understand?
Thank you.
And of course, from the king to the queen.
Thank you.
I really appreciate this. I'm so thankful for your thinking about me, for being so thoughtful. I'm so grateful, and I know I'm one of the very few celebrities you actually tweeted. I'm like, hey, the king never forgets his king.
You and Medical are like family to me.
For life is our life.
So Medical came for it, and you also come for it. Also, Jupiter
I got
is around.
two.
He's my son, so.
I got 2.
Yeah.
Can you believe that?
Yeah. No, you deserve it. You deserve it.
Thank you.
God bless you.
Let's take pictures.
God bless you for coming. Yeah, let's take a nice picture. Yeah.
When we tell our Nigerian brothers and sisters to hustle the right way, they no one listen. Now see how Shatta Wale is gradually expanding his businesses slowly and steady. When it comes to music, he's there. Business, Shatta Wale, they there. Ghana is blessed to have someone like him. Forget it, Ghanaian musicians are becoming hot and hotter lately. Okay, let me bust your brain. Are you aware that a Ghanaian musician won the Best African Female Artist of the Year, 2025? Are you aware? It was a Ghanaian. Yes. Is it in Africa or West Africa? I think it's in West Africa or something. Are there no female Nigerian artists So why was it given to her? Because she deserved it, right? Dry bones shall rise again. That's why it's not good to just sit there in one corner and be condemning some people. Nigerians are beating their chest saying they are the best in this, best in that, best in this, best in that. You guys have female musician, but Wendy Shay, yes, Wendy Shay was the one who won for 2025. Well, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. Let's just learn how to appreciate what we have. That's just what I have to, to tell you guys. Yeah, you Ghanaians, appreciate the ones you have and encourage them to do more. Yes. So in case you've not seen the video of Wendy Shay receiving her award, I have a video of a Nigerian praising her. Okay, let's take a look at it.
And thank you, Afrima, for breaking my virginity because you brought me to Nigeria for the first time.
So my people, my beautiful queen Wendy Shay has finally won the best female artist of the year. Yes, from Afrima Award people, the 9th edition for that matter. Oh, you don't understand? Okay, we can observe what is on my screen very well first. I said the best female artist of the year in the whole of this West Africa where we dey. The award goes to Wendy Shay yesterday, will be 11th of this January 2025 where we dey. I say the Afrima Award, all Africa Music Award people, are then crowned Wendy Shay yesterday now. I say the moment they declare say Wendy Shay won this award, that yesterday night, I was so proud of Wendy Shay now. I go live for now. I feel so proud of this beautiful star because Wendy Shay, this lady na hardworking girl she be. I no go lie for now. Wendy Shay, you just proved to me say you are the queen of Ghana entertainment music industry once again. Because they kind of, okay, we can observe the category or the nominees first. We can see the kind of caliber of talented, beautiful artists within inside this category. And Wendy Shay was able to grab this award, beat this kind of people. Tiwa Savage, they there. Aresta, they there. Mole of Ghana. When I know how this girl, they hot now. They there. Is it this Amara also was there? But Wendy Shay was able to grab this award, beat all these people. Wendy Shay, now superstar you be. You are a complete woman. I don't go lie for you. Now me, I they tell you. Yes, now. Now, you get one thing way Wendy Shay talk yesterday. We make everybody they talk about Wendy Shay up to now. This particular video, the trend. According to Wendy Shay, she the talk say all thanks goes to Afrima Award people for disvirgin her or breaking her virginity because now them be the first people carry and go inside Nigeria. It means indirectly Wendy Shay they fall in love with Nigeria. That be how they thought say Ghana and Nigeria will be like husband and wife or twins. We gonna listen to Wendy Shay first now. I go live for now. True.
And thank you, Afrima, for breaking my virginity because you brought me to Nigeria for the first time. This is for Ghana and watch out for
Alpha, I think when I don't confirm her for Wendy Shay. See, one thing about Wendy Shay be say, whenever Wendy Shay climb stage, they perform. This her body, this her lovely shape, it kill me.
Oh.
Her voice, they wound me. When Wendy Shay just they do her things like this, I go to talk say, what about waiting at the sea publicly? What about if interior? This girl now bad girl she go be. I don't go like for now. I'm going to observe waiting Wendy Shay they do on stage yesterday now. Sure, it is easy. See, no wonder this lady, the SM family, because this lady's energy na high level. I wonder if this lady they smoke high grade. When they say you they smoke high grade because your energy, the kind of energy they put into your crowds, my dear, forget. Your consistency, now that one I they finish me. Top notch. Your consistency, you they do all. I know what I tell you. Sure, your effort inside your crowds. Ghana need to crown you as the queen of Ghana entertainment industry before it will be too late. Yes,